It's summertime out here in Minnesota. It's 43 degrees outside. It's summertime. It's hot. I don't know what y'all hot.
Hello. Today we're going to be making some lemonade. Not this one, but this one. It's really easy. All you're going to need is 2 lemons. You're going to cut them and then you're going to juice them. You're probably wondering, like, what in the world? This is lemonade. It's not even that hard to make. But I use a little, I guess, technique you can call it. It's really easy. All you need is some hot water or warm water. So after you squeeze all your lemons, you're gonna put about half a cup of hot water or warm water, enough so that the sugar dissolves. And the trick in this is that the sugar dissolves in the water. So usually when you make lemonade with cold water, the sugar will just sit at the bottom of the drink, right? So the whole point with the hot water is that the sugar is mixed in evenly with the whole entire drink with the lemon juice and everything. So what I did is I put 4 tablespoons of sugar. So this part is entirely up to you. Some people like their lemonade super sweet, some people like it a little sour, and some people like it diluted with, like a lot of water. So don't worry, you're not gonna drink hot lemonade. You're gonna put ice after this. After you add your lemon juice, you're gonna add a bunch of ice, and all the ice is gonna melt and gonna make the drink really cold, and it's gonna make it lemonade. And that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoy. It's really easy. No shade to Beyonce. Love you. Peace. Anyways, bye.